Hi, this is Yes Coding. In this video, we are going to make a single web page with HTML file. Development environment are macOS and Chrome, and code editor is a Visual Studio Code. First thing to do is creating HTML file. There are two ways to create a new file. One is using terminal, and the other is using computer UI. If you are using Windows, it might be easier to create a file with a computer UI. But if you are using a Mac OS, it's easier to create a file with a terminal. I would use a terminal here. Go to the folder where you want to save this file. And we need to type touch command and index.html and enter. Then you can see the file in this folder. Let's check. Let's remember one thing here. We should make a file name extension as HTML. We can assign the role and characteristic of the file by adding extension name. If we use wrong file name extension, then we can't programming as we intend. So, correct file name is always important. Let's open this file and check out address bar. Here, this file means this address indicates a file type, and this index.html file is inside Yes Coding folder of Yunjio folder. Yes, this is my real name, and of users folder. Other people can't see this single web page because they don't have this file in their computer. And now we already make a single web page, but this is too simple. Let's render hello world. Open a folder. And go to the index.html and type hello world. Save it and refresh the page. Now we can see it right away. Last step is to open a developer console and check Elements tab. So here, the hello world is inside the body section. We didn't type anything about body or head in a file, but we set up a file name extension as HTML. So that's why browser can read this file as a HTML file and write HTML basic markup. Isn't it smart? If we don't do any other markup, then things we type goes inside body section like this. If you want to see this file using web server, then there is a easy tool. That is application which name is 200OK. You can find it in Google extension page and download it in free. So here you can choose folder like this. I choose my Yes Coding folder which has index.html file and select and turn on this like this, web server started, and enter port is default value is 80 here, but if you want to change, you can change anything you want. And here, web server URL, if you click one of this, copy and paste, oh, here already, then like this, you can see our index.html hello world web single page is on this web server, which address is 127.0.0.1. Alright, today we made a single web page with one HTML file. Happy coding!